Hi, everyone. Harry here with a very quick report on the state of play in the immigration landscape. So the state of Florida proposed a new law that says if you're illegal and you come into our borders, that's a state crime. Guess what? Immigration is a quintessentially national subject for the Congress and the federal government. And so the federal court struck it down on preemption grounds, and the Supreme Court has just denied any kind of review, has denied cert. Now, this shows that the immigration landscape, it still remains the law, and very solid law, that it's federal stuff. We saw Texas before try to do a fancy little move to get involved in immigration, and they were struck down in Trump 1.0. Same thing now for Florida. The media always report, Substack and YouTube, Talking Feds followers know this little trick. When the Supreme Court denies review, it says nothing about the merits. Nevertheless, they have been increasingly taking cases in the shadow docket. They let this one go. And it's clearly because there's no possible room to reverse this or change it. States try to weed in Congress's garden or the executive's garden, but the immigration is federal business, not state business. We're going to see more of this perhaps, but this is a sort of emphatic, kind of back of the hand affirmation that all the action here, and there's continues to be all kinds of action and every day, needs to be at the federal level. Nice try, Florida, but immigration is for the feds. You are preempted. And the court's not taking review. It has no meaning on the merits. Court watchers point this out again and again. But in this case, and especially given what they've been doing in the last few weeks, it's just a clear reaffirmation that this is an easy kind of case. And when states try to get involved here, unless they can try some creative crafting to say, we're not really doing immigration, we're doing something else. But Florida did not try that. They said, you're an immigrant, you come into our state borders, you've violated the law. No, you haven't, because that's state law. Immigration law needs to be federal. So just making clear that that solid principle remains solid, and the court's denial of review just emphasizes that, even though not on the merits, but really just the kind of back of the hand treatment. Talk to you later. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video and other Talking Feds content, please take a second to like and subscribe. Talk to you later.